on the bell icon, stay updated on our daily videos. This lecture is about understanding the default user interface of AutoCAD, and also we're gonna see how to open, save as, close the file, and also exit the AutoCAD. For that, concentrate on the screen. On desktop, you will see the AutoCAD application. Just double click on it. Otherwise, right click on the application and choose Run as Administrator. It will open a startup screen. It takes little time to open the software depending on your PC or laptop configuration. This is the welcome screen of AutoCAD. Here you can start a new drawing by clicking this. Otherwise, click Open for the existing file. And here you see the recent documents which I have already drawn. If you want to continue the drawing and recent documents, just click over it. Before opening a file, you have to select a template which suits for your drawing. These templates define the properties of your drawing like meter, feet or inches. By default, AutoCAD these units are in inches. But you wanna draw in millimeters or meters, you can choose AutoCAD ISO.dwt. And also you are able to draw without using the templates. Here we go. Just click on Start Drawing. Then set up the units. For that, click UN in the command box and enter it. Here you can change the type, precision and units of your plan. To draw the plan in feet and inches, choose type as engineering. And then precision implies that how many numbers you want after decimal. I choose first one. I request you to choose units as feet. And then apply and then OK. This is the default user interface of AutoCAD. On top left corner, there will be an application menu. Just click on it. You will see the drop down on that. We have new, open, save as, etc. If you want to open a new file, just click on it or else use shortcut key of Ctrl+N. There will be a pop-up. Now you want to choose a template. And if you want to open the existing file, just click over it. Otherwise, use shortcut key of Ctrl+O. If you want to save the file, just click on it. Or else use shortcut key Ctrl+S. And then if you want to rename the file while saving or to save other location on your PC, just click Save As. Or else use shortcut key Ctrl+Shift+S. Here you can rename the file. And also you are able to choose the version of the AutoCAD file what you want to save the file. And then the same commands I can access from the Quick Access toolbar. Here also you will see the new, open, etc. We are able to customize this toolbar like we are seeing in the upcoming videos. At top middle you have a title bar. By default AutoCAD opens with the name of drawing because it's a drawing software. Let you think. If you open a new Excel with a name of sheet, right? If you open a Word, it opens with the name of documents. Likewise, if you open a AutoCAD, it opens with the name of drawing. And .dwg is the default extension of AutoCAD drawing file. And then below the title bar we have the menu bar that includes File, Edit, View, etc. Each menu bar has a drop down commands. This is the ribbon bar which have exactly below the menu bar and it has the different tabs like Home, Insert, Annotate, etc. And each tab has a number of panels like Draw, Modify, Annotation, etc. And also each and every panel has a number of tools or commands. Exactly below the ribbon, we have drawing area or working area and also technically called as GUI, which is the graphical user interface. At the bottom left corner, we will see the UCS icon, which stands for Universal Coordinate System or User Coordinate System. If you're working on 3D, it shows in 3 axes, but it shows in 2 axes because the screen is on 2D. And then this icon called as cursor or cursor, which use it to select the comments or drawings. On top right corner, you will see WCS cube or view cube. This is mostly used in 3D diagrams. Below that, you will see the navigation bar. By using this, we are able to pan, zoom in or zoom out, rotate the diagrams. Then the bottom of the GUI or working space, you will see the command box. If you choose any command, that displays on the command box, and it also instructs you that what we do the next. Below that, we have models and layouts. Whatever drawings, we are done only in the model space. And layouts are used to create different layouts, the drawing which created in model. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the application toolbar. On the left side of that, drawing coordinates option is there, which indicates the location of the cursor on the screen. This is the default user interface of AutoCAD. There are different types of user interfaces that are available in AutoCAD, and that are also called as workspaces. To check that, click on the gear icon on the application toolbar. If you don't have that, at the bottom right corner of your workspace, there will be a customization menu. You have to tick all in the customization menu. Now you are able to see that gear icon, right? Now click on that. You have 3 workspaces like drafting and annotation, 3D basics and 3D modeling. By default, it is in drafting and annotation. In the upcoming video, we're gonna see about how to create our own workspaces in AutoCAD. Now let us see about the file management keys. First is Ctrl+N, which helps to open a new file or to create a new file. And the second one is Ctrl+O, which helps to open the existing file that we have already saw. And the third one is Ctrl+S, is to help to save the file. And the fourth is Ctrl+Shift+S to save the new file in new location. And the fifth one is Ctrl+C, which helps to copy an object. And then sixth is Ctrl+X to cut the objects. And then seventh one is Ctrl+P, which is used to paste it, the object which we have already copied. And then eighth one is Ctrl+Z and Ctrl+Y, which helps to undo and redo the objects respectively. And then Ctrl+0 is one of the most important file management keys, which helps to clean the entire screen. See, like this. To revert back to again, press Ctrl+0. Now you can see all the toolbars which I have already displayed. And then Ctrl+1 helps to check the properties of the object. And Ctrl+2, by clicking this, open a design center which includes some appliances used in the drawing. And then Ctrl+3, it's a tool palettes window which helps more in working with plan. We'll see detail in the upcoming videos. Finally, the Ctrl+9 used to turn on and off the command box. At last, you can exit the AutoCAD by clicking X button on the top right corner of your screen, or else double clicking on the application menu here. Let's try it. Now the AutoCAD application is closed. I hope you guys understood up to here. We'll see you in the next lecture.